Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So when I bought this 2002 Camaro SS about 5 or 6 years ago, these are the taillights I had in it. And I won't say what I really think of them, but anyways, I priced out new ones and they was pretty expensive, so I decided to go with the black covers. But today we're going to change them finally. Okay, so here's what we got. I got them off eBay. They weren't too bad. There's several sellers on there, so you want to make sure you don't pay too much. I paid 150 Canadian for these, but there were the identical ones on there for a lot more. Now, I'd prefer to have stock ones, but they're pretty expensive still. Okay, I guess we'll start by removing the old tail lights. Okay, it's actually pretty simple. There's just two of these little rubber, I don't know what they are, but anyway, that's all that's holding it in. Let's just take them out. Sometimes they're a tight fit. I'll just get a hammer, just give it a little tap. Okay, so the new ones come with these little tabs here. I think I'll put them on just in case I end up hitting the paint. So anyway, just push these tabs down. I got a little extra wire in here because I got a backup camera. Anyway, here's your backup light. That's your turn signal. That's your brake light. And this here is just a daytime running light, I believe. This one here we're going to have to get rid of because these new lights only take the 3. Okay, so here's our new tail light. Now, as is usual with these things, they don't always fit. Now, I believe this one here does. The backup light fits, but the signal light I don't believe will fit. It's got to be modified. And the brake light, I already took a pair of these and just snipped a little piece out. Okay, so it was enough for the brake one. That leaves us with the signal light that won't fit. What it is, this tab here is wider than what's available. I'm going to try clipping a little bit out of here. I think what's going on is this one here is up too high. So I got to clip some out of that. Let's try it. There. So now it works. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to take some alcohol and clean these, and I got to remove this one. And I got to cover that up with something. Okay, so I just taped that up with some black tape. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a clean cloth and some alcohol, just in case I touch them lights. Fingerprint oil can create a hot spot. On these bigger lights, I don't think it hurts them as much as like a halogen headlight. Okay, actually for the backup light, I bought some LEDs. I don't know if they'll work or not, but we'll try it. So before I put that all back together, I want to make sure that works. Okay, so it is working. Sometimes they're polarity sensitive. Okay, so we got the LED working, so we'll put that in first. And then the brake light. Now the signal light. Okay, now we can remove these. Like I say, these things often don't fit the best. But just fasten these back on. See, they're smaller than the ones that were in there. I don't care for how they fit. Now I don't remember how the stock ones fit. There's quite a gap in here. What I'm thinking I might do is I'm going to see if I can get a thin seal. I'll put a seal all the way around it, and that might cover that up. Plus it'll seal it so no water can get in. Okay guys, there it is. Now to me that looks a lot better. It's a big improvement over what was in it. If your stock taillights are broken, or if somebody put the racer taillights in like what I had, these are a good option. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.